boom. And the chicken said, ouch. Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna tell you a story. The name of the story is Animal Rain. And an animal is, a cat is an animal, a fish is an animal, a bird is an animal. Okay, so animal, rain. And rain is water falling from the sky. So this is the sky, okay, sky, and this is rain. So the name of the story is Animal Rain. And this story is about a chicken. So once upon a time, there was a chicken. And a chicken is an animal. It is a bird. Okay. So this chicken lived in a yard. And a yard is, look, this is a house. This is a house, okay? And this is a yard, okay? So this chicken lived in the yard. And one day, this chicken was hanging out in the yard. The chicken was eating grass. So this is grass, okay? And in the yard, there was a lot of grass. Also, this chicken was eating worms. And this is a worm, okay? This is a worm. There were a lot of worms in the yard. Okay? Maybe there were 50 worms. Maybe there were 100 worms. So the point is, there were a lot of worms. And the chicken was very happy. Okay, the chicken was very happy because the day was beautiful. It was very sunny. Yeah, it was very sunny. And the chicken said, such a beautiful day today. It's sunny, it's warm. It was about 27 degrees outside, so it was warm. And the chicken said, thank God it's not raining today, okay? It's not raining today. But all of a sudden, something fell on the chicken's head. Boom. And the chicken said, ouch. The chicken was very confused. What's going on? And the chicken looked around and saw a fish. The chicken saw a fish. And the chicken was very surprised. Whoa, a fish in the yard? What's going on? And the chicken thought, maybe this fish can fly. Maybe this fish has wings. Wings. But this fish did not have wings. No. And all of a sudden, something fell on the chicken's head. Boom. Again. And the chicken said, ouch. Ouch. What is it? The chicken asked. So the chicken looked around and saw a frog. A frog is an animal. So this is a frog. This is a frog. And the chicken was very confused. What is going on? So the chicken thought, maybe this frog was on a plane. This is a plane. Okay, this is a plane. So maybe this frog was on this plane, and then it fell out. It fell out, but then chicken thought, no. Frogs never take planes. No. And all of a sudden, many more fish and frogs began to fall from the sky. Many more fish, okay? Many more fish and frogs were falling from the sky. Maybe there were 50 frogs. Maybe there were 100. I don't know. And the chicken was very confused. What is going on? The chicken asked. So many fish and so many frogs in the yard. What's going on? And one frog said, hey, chicken, don't worry. I'll explain what's going on. And the frog said, we, the frogs and the fish, lived in a pond. So this is a pond, okay? We lived in a pond, and one day a hurricane came by. A hurricane is this. So one day a hurricane came by the pond and sucked in everything. The water, the frogs, the fish. It sucked in everything and took us very far away. Very far away. And when the hurricane disappeared, we fell from the sky, and now we are in your yard. That's the story. So do you guys like this story? Let me know in the comments. Have a good day and see you in the next one.